Hey everybody, my name is Tauman, and in this video I will show you how you can easily deposit funds to your Trading212 account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Trading212, click here on your app account, go to Manage Funds, and you're going to see like the withdrawal funds, more funds, or deposit funds. And you can have like deposit schedule, saved payments methods. So deposit funds. Now I have like my account here. And all I have to do is just like add whatever price of one, like 50 euro, or like 100. Yes, pay. Oh, I set up my limits on card because I thought that someone stole my wallet. So give me a second. So I will just change my settings on my card and I will be able to deposit funds. And this is how you do it. You just like deposit funds, you just add the amount, you just add your card or whatever. You can change to Skrill or credit card, it's good. I confirm and you just paid. And that's it guys. So thank you very much, have a great day and goodbye.